Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on XM app. Biometric login Face ID or Touch ID lets you access XM account quickly and securely without typing your password every time. It uses your phone built-in security, making it both convenient and safer, especially if you check your account frequently. So first, make sure you launch your XM app on your iPhone and log into your email ID or password. And after that, you can go to your profile icon in the top right corner. Under here, you can simply select to the setting on the bottom, and you can again go to the security under the profile. So over here we can find there's an option with the biometric login. Tap on the biometric login. So simply toggle on this biometric login and it will automatically access to your Face ID, and that is it. Enabling biometric login in the XM app is a quick way to improve both security and convenience, and once set, you can access your account instantly using your Face ID. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.